Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be making this on-off button. Alright, sweet. So I'll get started into the code. Very top bit. This just sets up the pins and the LED state for starting it. Alright, so setup. So setup is the first thing that runs, if you don't already know that. I've got serial beginning, then I'm setting up the button pin with internal input pull-up. Pin mode output for LED pin. Setting the LED pin as low so it's off when it starts, and it just prints the line that it's running. The loop, this is the easy bit. Not the easy bit. Now the loop, this is what happens to see how the button actually works. Okay, sweet. So it reads the button state. Then what happens is, if it checks if the button state's been pushed, and then what actually happens is, if it's false, it goes to high. If it's true, then it sets it to true, and then else it turns it off. Sets the LED state to false. It's pretty easy. So then it saves the button state as the last button state. Delay 50 things to help with deep bouncing. Now, if this video helped you, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. In the description is a link to the GitHub page where this code is. But if you just want to copy and paste, go there. If you're happy to type it in, just hit pause.